Hi guys, so I'm currently doing my makeup and I got a call from Paperazzi Magazine earlier today, and they said to me, Momina, we have a surprise coming in for you, so please be at your studio and do your makeup and bring some shoes. And I have no idea what they have in store and what they have in mind, what they want to do. And till then, you guys don't forget to subscribe, share and comment on whatever the segment is going to turn out to be, which I don't even know what it is. Well, I'm done with my makeup, so I'm just gonna wait here and see what Team Paperazzi is bringing. So let's wait and see what's coming up next.
A few moments later.
Well, this is fun. What is this? There's a note and it's all Paperazzi covers. Let's take a look at what they have. Hey Momina, surprise! Yeah, this really is a surprise, guys. Welcome to our mystery box challenge. We have sourced outfits and accessories from some of our favorite designers. So we challenge you to create 3 looks. One is daytime, let's go brunchin'. Look number 2 has to be a sundowner when the sun comes down. And the 3, oh my god, the 3rd one is called Band Baja Barat, which I'm sure is obviously a shadi time look. We can't wait to see what you come up with. Best of luck, lots of love, Team Paperazzi. Thanks, Team Paperazzi. This is going to be exciting. Let me open up and see what all they have to send. Wow, this is like a real mystery to open this thing up. First up, I think this is Hussain Rehar, if I'm not wrong. Fun. Ooh, some Sania Maskatiya. I think this is also Sania. Ammara Khan, Atelier. Oh, Allure. Edie Parker. She's gonna be mine. Yes, called Gaia. Paperazzi, I didn't know you guys were spending so much money on me. This is awesome. A little bustier. Wow, I don't even know how I'm going to style all of this. It's a very good quality alternative for costume jewelry, and I've seen her wearing them and she looks fantastic every time she wears any of her pieces. So like, look at them. Okay, so I have a really tall order in front of me. There's clothes upon clothes, accessories upon accessories stacked. So I think let's get to styling. Stay tuned till the end of the video so you guys can see all the 3 looks that I create for you from Paperazzi Magazine's mystery box. And yeah, well, this I'm wearing is Hussain Rehar, so I guess I'm not going to be using this in the rest of my video, but like, let's get to it. So yeah, so I'm going to show you one by one each look, and let me know which one was your favorite look in the comments below. So for look 1, as per the memo I got from Paperazzi Magazine, it's a daytime chic kind of a look. So I'm pairing this Ammara Khan appliqued denim, almost looks like a denim-y field kurta, which has like frayed edging to it. I'm pairing that with the Sania Maskatiya printed pant, and I'm going to layer up this Sania Maskatiya waistcoat, which is from I think their menswear collection. And I'm pairing this printed touch from Mahgul, which has these feather and tassel details to it. And for my earrings, I'm adding a bit of drama by pairing it up with these earrings from Allure by MHT. look. I wanted to make this like a really fusion thing because I'm pairing this Mahgul pantsuit with this Sania Maskatiya Choli, which is completely embellished, and I'm going to try it on with and without the blazer to show you how you can mix and match different designers. Along with it, I'm using these earrings, which are these completely white, almost like glass polki type, and this gorgeous cult Gaia emerald green bag, which is again goes very well from day to night. So it's an experimental look. I mean, I think I'm loving all of these looks because they're very experimental and they're not just one designer, one outfit, and you're just seeing how you're pairing accessories with it. You're actually mixing up like different things. Which is Band Baja Barat. I'm pairing these beautiful sari pants by Ammara Khan, which are these like, it's like a very beautiful dusty pink color with this almost ruched strapless bustier by Mahgul, which has lots of fun colors. It has like fuchsias and purples, magenta, blues, like cerulean blue for the top. That like the femininity of the sari pants is just beautiful with it. And I'm pairing this with these two stacked up, one choker and one necklace by Beedazzeled again, and this Edie Parker confetti clutch, which is silver and gold reversible on each side, but I think I'm going to be using the silver side with it. I hope you enjoyed the segment as much as I had. I had so much fun styling all these looks for you from Paperazzi and Momina's Mixed Plate mystery box. I'm going to keep doing more mystery box with a lot of different brands. So if like there's anything that you want to see in a mystery box or you want to create a mystery box for me, let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you next time. Take care.